numoche ofife boken clean by nu ne kononu manye na koko okwabi ni clote ni John keshia ne onupa ife mi to bi ehu wadamonye suo no wakenya ba hia nu nyenu mene e afa egbidron onye me ejemansa me ba fata wo ye bie. Right from outside, you were welcomed traditionally by drumming and dancing. We saw all of you to be kings and queens. And in our culture, whenever there is a king or a queen coming, you have dancers and drummers all around dancing and drumming ahead, singing appellations to the king and the queen.
Cha umanyaba je ofun ogbegumi cha umanyaba mena shime imasu na masu meridian yetema migaboya
Hi, I'm Empress, and we're here today for the naming ceremony. And the name I got was Na Akashe. And the naming ceremony ritual, it consisted of us doing drinking water and coin wine and honey. And drinking the honey was the hardest part for me. And what we also did, we listened to drumming, and then we also cooked some food, like some local food. And we're about to go eat that, and it smells really good. And it was really hard to prepare it because I'm actually not a good cook.
Migabo